Hi there, yeah, I'm back again. And today I would like to talk about separation because I think separation is the most urgent problem humanity has. Of course, I don't know in which country do you live, but just remember the last time you have used a public transport. I'm sure you remember that from 10 people, out of 10 people, there are at least 7 or 8 people dealing with their mobiles instead of connecting with other people. Recently, I saw a little film about a school in Denmark or maybe another Scandinavian country, where the teachers told that they have banned the mobile from school, and they have returned to paper and pen or pencil, and that the results have been extremely good because even that some of the children were having how to say it, psychic disorders, something of this kind, which immediately improved after they were not on their mobile all day long. Because, and I think mobile is a or internet or any tech device you can think of are very good inventions to keep humanity separated from each other. And so this is really a big problem. But the separation, as always, is on every conceivable level. We are separated from, not only from each other, we are also separated from nature on a very large scale, because we are treating nature as if it were not important for us, and same with the animals and with the resources of the earth. And it's as if we could not understand that when we harm our environment, we harm lastly ourselves. And the separation, which is most important for you personally, is the separation in yourself. Because most people are separated from different parts of themselves, parts they have totally forgotten. Most people are separated from their body. I have already made a video on rejection of the body. Please watch it. We are separated from our inner child because it gets no more attention once we come into puberty, or once we grow teenager. It's so uncool probably to deal with the inner child, and we are very separated from our soul. And the most important separation is the separation from our divine self. The very bad thing is that most of us have no idea about this kind of separation and do not understand how important it is. So now I'm here to remind you of this. I'm here to remind you of things you have forgotten. So it is very, very important to get reconnected again with all the parts of you that you have neglected. And self-expression is a very, very, very easy and nice way to reconnect yourself with all these parts. Because it's like play. It's like play. It's always difficult to explain to people what body full sounds is about. So it's about expressing your true self through movement and through your voice. So it's not exactly singing or dancing, even though you can do it if you like, but it's something quite undefined. But it is very, very nice to connect yourself with all these parts, because this way you learn that you are okay the way you are, that you are always okay. And it's quite incredible. So maybe you would like to try it, then you can register on my platform. And I have a 7 days free trial period. And present, I'm thinking of doing a live call here on YouTube on the topic of abundance, but I'm not quite sure yet. I will have to think a little bit about this. So, and now, my impulse for you today is to think a little bit about the ways in which you are separated from your inner parts. I would be pleased if you let us know in the comments.